discuss to you about quadratic equation, wherein quadratic equation is represented by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, as we observe from the given representation of a quadratic equation, the highest power is 2. Then we have here the three example wherein we were going to tell whether it is a quadratic equation or not a quadratic equation. So first, we have the first example, 3x plus 4 equal to negative x squared. So the first thing to do is to arrange this equation into ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we were going to transpose negative x squared to the left side. So it will become positive x squared. Then let's copy those terms equal to 0. Okay, now what is the highest power here? It is 2. So this means this is a quadratic equation. Now for example number 2, x squared plus 8x minus 7 is equal to x squared minus 5x. So like the first example, we were going to arrange the given equation into ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we were going to transpose x squared to the left side. So it will become x squared. Then it will become negative. We just copy this one. Then it will become negative. Then we were going to copy 8x. Then we were going to transpose negative 5x to the other side. So it will become positive. So if negative goes to other side, it will become positive. It will become positive 5x. Then let's copy negative 7. We are just copying it since we didn't transpose to the other side. Then x squared minus x squared is 0. So we were just going to cancel that. Then 8x plus 5x is equal to 13x. Then let's copy negative 7 there. Then equal to 0. So now, what is the highest power of this equation? That is 1, right? So this is an example of not a quadratic equation. This is under linear. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 3. So first thing to do is to simplify the equation. Then we're going to identify if it is a quadratic or not a quadratic. Then we were going to distribute. So it will become 2x raised to 3. So x times x squared is x raised to 3. Then plus x times 4x, that is 4x squared. Then x times negative 5 is negative 5x. Then equal to 0. Now, what is the highest power of this equation? That is 3, right? Since it is 3, then this is not quadratic equation. That is under cube. We have here 5 examples of quadratic equation. Then we were going to transform it into general form. Then we were going to find for the value of a, b, and c. And take note, in finding the value of a, b, and c, the quadratic equation must be in general form. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 1. So as we observe, it is already in general form. So we were going to copy. Then let's identify now the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so a is derived from the numerical coefficient of ax squared. So that is 1. If there is no numerical coefficient, then that is 1. And b is derived from the numerical coefficient of x. so that is positive 6 since it's positive. Then C is from the constant, so that is positive 5. Okay, in example number 2, let's take a look. It is already in general form since it is already arranged. So let's write. Okay, let's copy. Then we were going now to identify A, B, and C. So A is the numerical coefficient of x squared, so that is 1. Then x is not here, so that must be 0. Then the constant is negative 100. Okay, proceed to example number 3. So as we observe in example number 3, it is not yet arranged in general form, so we're going to transpose negative x squared to the left side. So it will become positive x squared. Then we were going to copy the 2, but then we were going to arrange, so negative 3x first before the constant. Okay, then let's identify. So 1 again, then it is negative 3. We just copy the negative sign there. Then positive 8. Okay, then example number 4, it's not yet arranged, so we were going to arrange it. So let's copy negative 3x squared. Then we were going to transpose 10x to the left side, so it will become negative 10x equal to 0. Now let's write the A, B, and C value. So negative 3, then B is a combination of x here, so negative 10. Then constant is missing, so that is 0. Okay, for example number 5, in this given situation, we need to simplify first the given equation. So we were going to use the FOIL method in determining or in simplifying this one. Okay, let's expand. So that is x times x squared. Then next is the outer, that is negative 3x, x times negative 3. Then the inner is 2x. 2 times x is positive 2x. Then the last is 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6 equal to 0. Then we were going to simplify x squared. Then negative 3x plus 2x, that is negative x. Then negative 6 equal to 0. So since it is already in general form, we were going now to identify the A, B, and C. Okay, so the A here is positive 1, B is negative 1, then C is negative 6. Okay, so that's now the value of A, B, and C.